You will remember tomorrow, and this is the shit that you will remember the rest of your fucking life. This is a party.
Shit is military.
So much. Edmonton, you are the fucking bomb! So, thank you guys. What do you want to do? Want to drop one more? If you want one more track, then I want to hear it. As long as fucking possible. Please tell me, should we drop this shit? Should we drop this shit? Okay, do it. It's the last try, go on! Are you fucking wasting a war? Okay. The final moments of the sound of Q-Dance. And I want to feel it one more time. It's hardstyle in your face. Oh God! Then fuck your head. Get ready for this shit, motherfucking crowd. Get ready to give it all you got. This is how we roll, Canada. This is Dutch Mahal. This motherfucking crowd.
Canada.
Thank you!
Be back and we will strike hard.
again from the bottom of our